Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play modded maps on SnowRunner with friends. It's a fantastic way to enhance your trucking adventures and explore new challenges together. We'll cover everything from installing the necessary modifications to successfully hosting and joining co-op sessions. The key is ensuring everyone has the same mods, so pay close attention to the synchronization steps. Get ready to tackle custom terrains and unique vehicles with your entire crew. Installing mods is the first crucial step. You can easily browse and install many mods directly through SnowRunner's in-game mod browser, which is very convenient. For other mods, you might need to download them from reputable websites like Mod.io and manually place the files into your game's media folder. Always double-check that your mods are activated within the game's mod manager before proceeding to play. This ensures they are ready for your co-op experience. To host a modded co-op session, the host player must have all the desired mods installed and activated. Begin by selecting co-op from the main menu, then choose to create game. From there, you can select your preferred modded map. Once the session loads, invite your friends to join. Remember, the host's installed mods dictate what everyone else needs, so clear communication about your mod list is essential for a smooth experience. For friends joining a modded session, it is absolutely critical that you have the exact same versions of all mods installed as the host. Any mismatch will prevent you from joining or cause significant issues during gameplay. If you encounter problems, first verify your mod list against the host's. Often, simply restarting your game or reactivating mods in the mod manager can resolve common loading errors. Enjoy your shared adventures on custom maps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.